and dancers, I'm Conny. I would like to show you my choreograph named Burung Camar. It's absolute beginner level. 32 count, 4 walk, 1 take on wall 7 after 8 count, facing 6 o'clock. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jazzbox tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rocking chair tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Enjoy your dance.